Okay, so taking over this, we're talking about slope. We want to remember a couple things about slope. Slope is equal to the change in y over the change in x, okay? It is our rate of change or how things are moving, okay? So looking at this, we're going to take a look at our first graph here, okay? Starting at our first graph, we see that it's going to cross at this point right here, okay? That point is going to be the point of 0, 1, okay? We're going to follow its trajectory here. It's going to go up by 2 and over by 1. So we're going to see that we're going to end up at the point of 1 comma and then 3. Okay, so if we look at this, we had a change in y of plus 2. We had a change in x of plus 1. So change in y over change in x gives us 2 over 1, which is equal to 2. So this is going to have a positive 2 slope on this first one here. So we are going to be able to take this first graph and move it to that positive 2 slope right there. Okay, now looking at the second graph here, okay, we're going to see that we're starting off at this dot right there at negative 6, 0. So negative 6, 0. We're going to see we're going to follow this up by 1 to the right by 2. And we're going to see that that's going to be at the point of negative 4, 1. We're going to look at our change in y. We're going from 0 to 1, so that's up by 1. We're going from negative 6 to positive 4, that's up by 2. So we're looking at this. Our change in y is going to be positive 1 over 2, which is going to be equal to 1/2. So for the second one, we're going to see that we're going to go to 1/2. Okay. Then looking at the third one here, okay, we are going to see that this is going to start at the point of 0, 0. Okay, it's going through the origin. We're at 0, 0. We're going to go up by 3 and to the right by 1. So we're going to end up at the point of 1 comma 3. Looking at our change in y, we see we go from 0 to 3, which is plus 3. We go from 0 to 1, which is plus 1. So our slope is going to be 3 over 1, which is just equal to 3. So for this next one, we'd be able to put it in for the slope of 3, which should be, this top one. Keep going. There. So that's the 3. It's messed up, so I need to go grab this one, which was our slope of 2, and put that one back in for slope of 2. Okay. And then lastly, we're looking at this last one, which we should be able to say right off the bat is going to have to go right there, right? We can check our answer. We can see that we got all these right, okay? But again, we want to just double check our work as we're going through, okay? So we're starting here at the origin of 0, 0, right? We're at 0, 0. We're going up by 1 to the right by 1 to the point of 1, 1. We see that our change in y is plus 1. We see that our change in x is plus 1, giving us 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. Wonderful.